In this video, we'll fix an error that appears when installing Windows 10 and 11. If you click OK, your computer will restart and the installation cannot continue. To fix this, press Shift F10 or FN Shift F10 on a laptop to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type regedit and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. You can switch to the Registry Editor window by pressing Alt-Tab. Now, navigate to this key. Double-click the setup.exe dword value and change its value to 3. As you can see, the installation can now continue without any problems. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.